Columbus Day morning. Bonds are closed today, and stocks are open. So, can't tell you what the 10 year is doing this morning because it's not trading, at least not here in the U.S. You can look over to European 10-year rates, and but it's tough to trade on days like this because you don't have a lot of interest rate guidance. Um, the couple things I wanted to point out. Futures are trading down here a little bit, just a little consolidation, I would say, down $4. Here we are. The ES is trading 1566.50. Just been dripping down. We got as high as 72.50, 73 on Friday, so we've come off 5-6 points. I would look for some test in this area here, 65. You can see that was the first high off the open. So we've come back to test that very nicely, and probably will continue to drift back up. If we don't, then you got to go the other way. But right now, it's still a bullish-looking chart. The dollar yen is trading here 117.47, almost getting up to my sell spot near 180 or 118, excuse me. So we'll be watching that. It's on my highlight reel here. I'd like to see again probably 118.30 to 119.70 is where I'd be selling this dollar yen here as it rallies back up. Again, the couple things I want to point out is the banking index is trading 110.50 after Friday, but again has a lot of work to do from the sell-off that started this year, and again banks started leading us down back in the February March period and never have recovered. So you got a market that yes is at new highs, but you got the banks lagging, and I'm going to need to see that all the way back above 120 before I get confirmation. And quite frankly, the transportation index is the same thing. Although it had a big rally of 3.5%, 3.3% on Friday, the transportation index also has a severe deficit that it needs to make up. And again, the way I see things, you can't have bull markets overall without having your transportations and your banks, which shows shipping activity and financing activity back to the upside. So both these charts, the banks and the trannies, are still bearish to me overall. So there's still enough divergences for me to go, I don't know. So VIX up. My boy Jimmy Harbaugh, Giant Killer, beats USC Saturday night. What a great finish. What a gutsy finish by Jimmy and the undermanned Cardinal. I mean, this is the reason why I've been calling for Jim Harbaugh to be the head coach at Michigan now for 3 years. When he did his work at San Diego, we should have taken him over 2 years ago, but we continue to have Lloyd Carr doing the same old boring thing. Gosh, it's boring watching Michigan football, I got to tell you. Although Lloyd won the national championship, he inherited the team from Gary Moeller. And come on, Jimmy Harbaugh, Michigan. Les Miles isn't going anywhere. He's another Michigan guy that played for Bo, coached for Bo, and is leading the Bengals down there, the Bayou Bengals at LSU. What a great job he did. Again, gutsy play calling on Saturday night. Go Tigers, go Cardinal, and we'll be back later today. Hope you have a great Columbus Day.